Hey guys, it's Johnny from Johnny Snakes, and welcome! Today I'm going to be reviewing Lightning Fin, which is also the name of my cat, but let's move on. And just to let you guys know, I will be reviewing some of the battle sets. I have the Vertigo Spin Arena and the Shirt Strike Arena. I will review those, but I do not have a Break Bomber yet, so I keeping my eyes open for that, and let's go straight on in. This guy does come with this collector's card. It's BDO2 Lightning Fin, says on the bottom. On the back it has an area code and something you could do with the app, but let's move on. It comes with these two little stacking tower pieces. Right now, I do have lightning drill right here, so let's just make a little tower. And I heard if you get Strike Dragon, it comes with some more, so let's shoot this down. Awesome. He comes with two beetle balls, and one of them is like this shark with this. It looks really nice in this red, and it comes with this standard blue beetle ball. And this guy is the one-handed grip guy, but I don't know if this is just on mine, but the one-handed grip comes off a lot. I don't know if it's on mine or not. The pegs are just really short and it just can't fit into those holes a lot, so I'm ending up pushing it, like holding it at a weird position with two hands, and it just makes it like, and then I end up pushing down, and then when I push the trigger and it doesn't come out, so I just leave that. It's not on mine. I've talked with some people who have Lightning Fin, and they said it's probably just yours, but quality control. Well, even if this does happen to you, you still have a way to hold them. There's a plane passing by my house. But let's continue. This guy is a rapid fire type, so I do have the tornado clip. It's really, the first time I tried getting the clip in, it was extremely hard, but I've got some little balls here in this nice blue, which matches the fins. So that was really, really good. Whoops. So, this guy is great overall, and he's really nice. The sticker detail barely peeled off, and he's really nice. The fins look really nice. There's a really good sticker detail. He's just really smooth. He's one of the smoothest B-daman I've ever held, and the stickers are not peeling yet, which is really good. I do have a way of making an emblem charge on B-daman, except this guy and Gracian. I do have a way of making him have an emblem charge without taking off the arms, but this guy, no, he doesn't have a way to have an emblem charge. So I might be telling you guys how to do that, but not today. This is all about Lightning Fin. So this guy is extremely good for a rapid fire type. Now I'm going to show what these other rapid fire types are like. So let's just put these in and was just a little bit faster on that. Landing Scorpios here. And let's... Blah, 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 blah. I'm just pushing the trigger too fast so the balls won't fall down. I, for some reason, only have that on him, but I think Lightning Fin did the best out of the 3 rapid fire types. I do know there's a 4th rapid fire type, which is just a recolored of device, but you know, wait, keep an eye out for Break Bomber. And he's really nice, you know. Shoot, shoot, shoot. And oh yeah, forgot. He does come with a forward screwdriver, which you can store 2 of these screws in the thing, which you can store inside. Sometimes they do fall off, but overall, Lightning Fin is really good. I recommend getting this guy, especially if you love rapid fire or one-handed grip B-daman. I do know that piece right here, if you buy this guy, this does come detached, so long does the trigger, so you can't put it on another B-daman. Like, for instance, Strike Avian, it can be placed on, but not all the way, because the head is too big. I think they designed that especially for the one-handed grip, but you never know. So, this is Dragon from Dragon Eggs, signing off.